In this video, you will discover how to use the Teredo Parent app to track your child's progress. Hi everyone. Once the parent is logged into the Teredo Parent account, the parent will be navigated to the report screen. So, here in our Parent app, we have 4 main menu items in the bottom navigation bar, which are Reports, Activity, Tutor Connect, and more. So, coming to Reports, we have a drop-down on the top left, which shows the student accounts linked to the parent. By default, a student will be selected. If a parent wants to monitor another child's activity, they can click on the top left drop-down and select any other student, and the selected student's reports will be generated. If we click on the top right profile icon, the user will be navigated to the parent profile screen. The parent's name and contact details will be shown, which can be edited by the parent. And below that, the child accounts, which are linked to this parent, will be shown. And at the bottom, we have the settings and logout option. This video will guide you through using the Parent app to stay up to date on your child's school attendance. Select the child whose attendance you want to view from the top left drop-down if you have more than one linked to your account. Once you've chosen your child, select the course you want to check their attendance for in the drop-down. View your child's current day attendance in the Attendance Status section. Below, find their overall attendance data for the course. This provides the tracking progress from the start date of the course to the present day. Click the View Calendar button for a detailed attendance view. In the calendar, each date shows their status as P, A, and H. Here, P means present, A means absent, and H means holiday. To see the holiday type, click on the date. Its attendance status and reason will appear below the calendar. This video will show you how to track your students' progress. So, here we have a drop-down, which shows the list of courses enrolled by the student. Parents can select the course from this drop-down and check the course-specific reports. Below the courses drop-down, we have 2 tabs, that is Progress and Performance. So, starting with Progress. In Progress, we have Lectures Tracker, Punctuality, and Learning Progress. In the Lectures Tracker, we will show the count of classes enrolled by the student, classes completed by the student, and the remaining classes. Below we have the count of lectures based on their status, which is cancelled, no show, dropped early, and rescheduled. Once a parent clicks on the View All Lectures, they will be navigated to the Lectures screen. On the Lectures screen, a list of all scheduled lectures will be shown with details such as class name, timings, scheduled date, and status. Below the Lectures Tracker, we have Punctuality, which shows the punctuality of the student in joining the lectures. In Punctuality, we have the count of lectures, joined on time, joined late by 2 to 5 minutes, joined late by 5 to 10 minutes, joined late by 10 to 15 minutes, and joined late by 15 plus minutes. Below Punctuality, we have Learning Progress. In Learning Progress, we will be showing the learning time of the student in the Teredo portal. Below Learning Time, we have Learning Time Graph, which graphically represents the time spent by a student on the Teredo portal. Below the Learning Time Graph, we have the count of lectures attended by the student, videos watched, tests attempted, and the material studied by the student. Next to that, we have time spent on each subject, which shows the time spent on each subject by a student, and at last, we have subject-wise progress. It tracks the subject-wise progress, such as resource completion in that subject, lectures attended, videos watched, tests completed, and materials studied in that subject. Discover the steps involved in tracking student performance in this video. And in Reports, we have another tab, which is Performance. In Performance, we will be tracking the student's test performance. Under the Performance tab, the first section, which we have is Strengths and Weakness. In Strengths and Weakness, we will show the chapters in which a student is strong and weak. strength and weakness are calculated by the scores from the test attempted by the student. Below strength and weakness, we have the test performance section. In test performance, we will track the performance of the student based on the test attempted. The first section on the test performance is mock test taken. So, in mock test taken, we will be showing the count of the mock test taken by the student. Below that, we will show the average percentage of the student from the mock test, and we also have a percentage graph, which compares the scores between different mock tests attended by the student. Below that, we have subject-wise percentage. Here, we will be showing the average percentage in each subject, based on the scores from the mock test. Below mock test, we have a practice test section. Here, in practice test taken, we will show the count of the total practice tests taken by the student. Below that, the count of practice tests taken in each subject is displayed. And at bottom, we have average percentage section. In this average percentage section, we show the subject-wise average percentage, which is the cumulative average from all practice tests taken in that subject. In this video, you will discover how to monitor student activity. Going to our second main menu activity. Here, in activity, we have 3 sections, which are attendance, recently taken tests, and recently learned resources. In attendance, a parent can track the student's schedule and check whether the class is completed. Did the student attend or not? So here, a parent has to select the date and check that respective date's schedule. By default, today's day will be selected. Here, the green tick mark indicates the completed classes. The red icon with hyphen indicates the no-show from student classes, and a yellow timer icon indicates the upcoming classes. Below attendance, we have recently taken tests. From recently taken tests, a parent can check the reports of the test taken by a student recently. Once clicked on the View All, the parent will be navigated to the recently taken test screen. Here, tests are filtered into mock tests and practice tests based on the test type. So the parent can check all the tests, which were attempted by the student recently from here, and in practice test, tests are filtered based on the subjects. From the test card in the recently taken test, a parent can check the subject of the test, the name of the test, and the score of the student. When a parent clicks on the View Results, they will be navigated to the detailed test report screen. From here, the parent can get a detailed analysis of the test taken by the student. And coming back to activity, below the recently taken test, we have recently learned resources. In recently learned resources, we will be showing the most recently completed resources by the student. These resources include recorded lectures, recorded videos, and study materials. Once clicked on View All, the parent will be navigated to the Recently Learned Resources screen. Here, the parent can see what all resources were completed by the student most recently, and they can also filter using the Subjects tab. Know how to contact the Teredo team by watching this video. And the next main menu item is Tutor Connect. Tutor Connect is a communication tool provided by Teredo to help parents and students connect with tutors and relationship managers. In Tutor Connect, a chart group is created for each one-to-one subject enrolled by the student, and in this group, parents, teacher, student, and their RM will be added so that they can communicate at any time and anywhere. Next, we have the relationship manager's contact details. Here, the details of the relationship manager assigned to a particular student and their contact information will be shared. Below the relationship manager contact details, we have Teredo support contact details, through which a parent can contact Teredo support. Thank you.